What's up people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So me now look a place here, I deal with this quick and fast. So look nice when I go here, but no watch that. So make we get right tonight my people.
I don't know if I respect Jakes, but I respect Jake's speech so much. When you ever tell ton lie and talk, say Jakes tell the woman who you have dirty drawers. It's supposedly you me here with the drawers argument, or you me here with the drawers argument. You know me like when Jakes say to you and flap you. Jakes say, oh you idiot. Oh me if you tell the woman say you have dirty drawers when I me I wash them. I respect Jake's speech so much. So much. The man killing on the show and it not even started. So when you think say you have this Jakes by stating say him have to wash your dirty drawers, Jakes use him intelligence on you publicly. Jakes say and I me have to wash them, oh me fi tell her that. So whether him a wash it or not, Jakes use your word on you. Your word in use for you. It's like you call a man batty boy in a public and you depend what one and you dumb you. Exactly for true Lati. Rosalie, the whole of behind the scenes are show up now. All of behind the scenes are show up. The reason why the police them come in and see the house in such a state because Jakes was not there. Remember Ron Jakes run come in. Remember Jakes well dressed and you just awake. Hello? And the police them see the house in a terrible condition. You know why? Because you have it in yourself to say all you have to do is just give Jakes $100 man and you get everything done for the day. So more time you depend labor work, to buy Jakes. 501 Wagwan. You never know. Miss Jared, thank you. You never know. All along you depend it, you buy Jakes. Cause you want to sit down. How me feel work and I wash, cook and clean. Rosalie, you're not working. We never see a grease Chantal scalp yet. Yeah, batty relationship I had. Yeah, Jakes give about the money and it mash up her meds. Jakes exercise a form of independence where she never see it. She call it hype. Exactly, a whole heap of woman work and grow 6 feet. Them have to come wash, cook and clean. Them can't even sleep. Up again! You don't think of the army. Up, 2, 3, and that them at hear them sleep. Eh? So why she must have 2 and a daddy and still sit down, lazy and the house dirty? She go as far as fixing up the living room. And when she said she fixed up the living room and everybody passed through the picking them bedroom. Tell me the truth now, CDA, is that anywhere for growing kids? CDA, I'm with you on this. I'm in the world now with your CDA. I have every evidence to give to keep the kids. Shanta and Barbara would have sick, you know, based on the environment what they give them. Too much bleach and disinfectant in it. Take out some of men and sick off the picking them. Remember them now come from a good place. Go with them slow. No, but then I me I tell Ashley, for sure. Remember we see where them derive from. So you can't dash them in there, so dilute some of the disinfectant and the toilet too clean. Try your best to give them a whole bathroom for themselves. Hello, CDA! No, you do to the woman picnic. Mind you dramatize them because them can't traumatize. You never know. But yeah, carry remote, AC remote with your dirty light. You make them take up the picnic, them Rosalie. You are the wicked. You make them come for the kids. I could never sit down and know say somebody after my picnic. Me know woman we living at the ghetto. We have them son we are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 21, 22, 30, 24, 35, 36, 38, 39, you know say a long time picnic dance. A long time picnic dance, you know, say me I do this a while ago, and God know a long time picnic dance. You can't bother to say the rest of the video part. You alone know what you're saying, and nobody else don't know, you know. You know, say it's long time I dance, it's long time I dance. I cannot hide it anymore. I promise to stand up for, me not think me stand for that, you know, brotherhood. I'm gonna stand up for that one day. Yeah. Me know woman done some proud. Me know woman we have them big picnic. And if them picnic in a problem and them is the police after them, fully done. And them is the police after them, me know them a try get them picnic in a safe spot just in order for their kids to elude authority. True or false? So when we sit up on the internet and we listen to Rosealee and daily, why are we missing the essence of the situation that it involves two kids? Why are we still not listening to Rosealee and Jake's situation? At 12 years of them, you will never hear about 12 years of slavery. There's a movie. At 12 years. So the situation has nothing again. The situation has nothing to do with the kids anymore. Remember when time Britney money got stolen by Shay? When I met the situation about Shay. Remember when Joe died? When I met the situation about World Dog. Remember when Nisha died? When I met the situation about Owie. When I always do these things. When I always. So every time Rosealee click live, it's about Jay.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, cause we say I don't talk much, we just go into the video.
Yes. It's about Jakes. Now when you see the psychology where Rosealee I use for Uno. You see, from Jake's click live, she monetized the situation. Serious this now, cause she couldn't get it with Akeem. So I serious this. So every day she come tell you something about Jakes. Wanna know June? June is a nobody. June is a nobody. Me don't know if me could have really sit up on my program and take my 45 minutes, half an hour, 20 minutes and listen to Rosealee. I couldn't do it. God knows I couldn't do it. When me know your intentions are not pure, all the day I do I look something, I couldn't do it. You now force me to connect to your foolery and your scam and your deception. You now force me. You're not doing it. I say any money wanna have to get towards the kids. If Una really Nisha thank you, if Una really love Rosealee picnic them, send every dollar to Jakes. If Una go promise for help the picnic them. Thank you Nisha. Send every dollar to Jakes. Send every dollar to Jakes. Me can't believe so no sit down and see how Rosealee deal with money. She put man over our picnic them. All because she used money bribe them. And money make she and Jakes still there. Money, thank you my baby. Donna. And money make she and Jakes still there. And then nothing else is money. Jakes and yam it out. Jakes and yam out the money. That is our problem as a people and the nation. That is our problem. Not care how much time I come Martin and send me nothing drunk crow. Not care how much time I come. I'm telling you say Rosealee I waste the money on the continue blessing her. So why is it a problem now if Jakes yam out the money? Why would it be a problem if we don't send Jakes the money Jakes name it? Why would it be a problem when the kids them not getting it? Me see mackerel and K, but me not care about mackerel and K. Me like K, and me now go sit down and chat K. K make it known say she a mania man, she never hide it. What more can we say about K? Make it make sense. All when Tina go say, K all big. Your baby father supposed to tell you say you're all big. Your baby daddy is supposed to tell you say you're all big. I one given me given in a relationship. One given me given. Your baby father can't tell you anything. Cause when baby mother and baby father cause me turn my ears to the next side. I want to listen to foreigners. I don't want to hear uno. Because I got hear one X amount who a batty man, who suck front, who suck out, who a nasty girl, who a stinking girl. And at the end of the day, are the two of them that again. Me not care. Man supposed to tell you say you're old big. Because I never give myself on the life. Sometimes say, my life when the boy call me and say, hey big old girl, wait for man in me. I call you, that my life. And when you mean my all a different stanky, and I can't all alone, big. I never tell a line I can't all alone, big. And I can't all alone, big. And when a man tell you say you're all big, that's fine. Maybe he's impotent or he's just a little bit short. Here? It's just a little bit short. So that is no dig like this. And my baby father class me. My baby daddy, my only big him couldn't in it so long for breed me. After no virginity he take. He never take my virginity. He never use one stone and kill two birds. He never take my virginity and breed me same time. He never, it's not up on virginity me get pregnant. So what that I gonna say? What that say? Mackerel have a tight hole and no baby father. She not better than K. Mackerel have a small vagina and no baby daddy. Mackerel vagina look like a peep hole and no baby daddy. So what that say? Huh? Oh, they never see that part there? Mackerel have a little pum pum and is a man down with fair TV. No, me like mackerel, but that just don't make no sense. Fear is fear. Me never pick sides in a foolishness. Hey, she should chat triple, and she chat triple for sure. Okay, so she chat triple for sure. Me like him, me go play hypocrite, and me go play bias. Me like him. Me like it, me nah island time, me like it. Come back with another dig. Come back with another dig because we know 10 and K. Many bun 10 K. And K still never up in a K. So wait say. Yeah. All of them chat each other. All of them. That's why me don't want a friend. That's why I'm telling you say, me no want a friend, me no want a friend. Don't come call me and tell me say, you know who said this boy? You must annually, just fair understanding annually. It can turn on annually and besides, Jake's not frightened over AC because we not even have the AC in the oven 3 months ago there. Mine you use the AC frightened Jake's and make him catch pneumonia. Mine. Because you soon stuff up, you know. Remember when you talk, you hyperventilate, you know, you ever blow your nose. Remember you ever sniff alcohol. Mind your stuff up. Mind you bite off more than what why am I live for come sit AC in the kitchen. You forget that the kitchen you part off and take out the sink. That's why everything cook out the door. You forgot says one room when I have your part of this. And you put AC when I wish by your part. Man, you're frozen. Lati, I work by the spelling bee, Julian Maxwell, P-N-E-U-M-O-N-I-A. Yeah, spell up your pneumonia though. No, but sister, when you should forget at the kitchen she part off. go like no. You know, say I don't have some wicked people on the app. You know, say I'm afraid that some of the people on here, sir. You know, say it's me make everybody know, say it's a living room one in a kitchen, Rosealee live. You remember when the police them show in there? You notice the front door there, yes, so we should do the live now. You notice that Rosealee have a corner door there, so which by the kitchen there, outside which by the kitchen there. Boy, I want to know how to look on picture, but I must show me get one in a FBI. I get one in a FBI now. I tell them something the police. I get one in a FBI. For sure, I get one. You never know. Go back, go look on the picture of the police. That is why Jakes always come in the yard, take the side of the house, and come inside which by Rosealee there. Now Rosealee start to close to the veranda. You understand me? So she can see everybody where come in and out. Remember first time she used to do it down to one next blue side. Yeah. That's how that's an entrance and exit. Remember she used to do it when everybody have a pass her, yeah? And she used to look up on them, so cause she never did meeting in the house and in the room again. From the phone, go drop her, we see the black underneath the Jesus construction. Did I go under Rosealee bed? Rosealee mattress did the pan black. Rosealee live mad, you know? You know the lady live mad? Yeah. The lady live very mad. She live mad, man. The lady live very mad. Then Rosealee asleep on the construction site and I argue with people. My vagina now functions so well from the other day. Yes. That's what we tell you, say, we don't know who coming from nowhere, so stop the hyping. Stop the hyping.
Alright, my people, so one thing me I go tell you, my people, you see the people them on TikTok, me I tell you say they will build up Jakes just because them don't like Rosealee, and at that exactly what them are going to do. So me have Jakes update for share with Uno, the dog I buy up the things them for start him house. So make we watch some more.
God give you a little loophole and you know a wickedness. And God give you a little loophole and you not take care of two people them, Rosealee. You not take care of two people them. You think me go come every day in class and tell you, oh, you're big and what is and so on, love run down, man. And me go remind the people and say, you make your people them get taken by state. Yeah, you know. You don't know. Them a jump off of the live. Yeah, because we shall understand now, you know, is the fact that the audience now go with their carelessness. It's okay to be careless at times, but when it comes to certain things, the audience now go with you. Remember in the Airbnb, you say, Rosealee said that is Sunday, that is Sunday. Remember we not see her go to graduation or PTA meeting. We never see them go to graduation yet, not even for your niece or your nephew. Never yet. You see the difference, Joe? Sweet Mary, you see the difference? Never see she got graduation yet. We not even hear them and say, you know what? Maybe jump off of the life. I should have my niece to go pick up or my nephew to go pick up from school. You understand me? Me never hear them yet say, people, me and my nephew out, me and my niece out. Never. You have some people you never hear baby ball around yet. You have some people you never hear kids cry around yet. Our goddaughter, thank you. Our godson. So you see all them careless doing them the plan for stop. You see what they want people to understand that I have my life and she have her life. Rosealee a big woman, you know. Rosealee is her own big woman, that's not the case. No owner big woman not give me bad name. No owner big woman not going to give me bad name. None. Because people greedy based on your man, people greedy based on your woman. You never know. So you can't tell me, say, to show me your company, I tell you who you be. From your barn, you hear that. So make it make sense. Only just want people to accept the facts of the careless and lazy and don't want sport with some non-progressive boy. We don't mean no good. And don't want we for buy mediocre as love. And that we don't want we for buy use and abuse as love. And that we don't want we for buy. Because them a man trick you in a real life, a man trick you in a series. Can you take the worst man out of the pack? Should that you have Akeem, it would have been more believable. Any order you have Akeem could have class your all in peace and then continue the series anyhow because we know you're not partial, we know you're not let go. And adjust that. Yeah. I wanna kill this feel the picnic. Figure it out. Rosealee, Diamond, and Akeem. Make GX Picnic them get take away. Me now ask you, figure it out just in case you never hear for screen recorders. Figure it out, Daima, Rosealee and Akeem. Make the kids got taken away. Miss says so. Nobody never whisper. Miss says so. Now make nobody come back and tell you say, Shibada say no you hear. You hear it from Shibada's mouth. Miss says so. Akeem, figure it out, Rosealee, Diamond, make the picnic them get take away. Rosealee knows that she have CD if you go look bout. And through Akeem get booked for Mecca. Rosealee ignore all of the responsibilities just for the time in Mecca. Rosealee, me no know how big so cocky girl and big Asian days old woman sit down on the live and have Rosealee really when the girl got suck on the mother when the picnic eat on I'll phone the picnic must kick out on the hole and bust on the face when them get big and talk to her like drunk crow. Me no know how una sit down so till Rosealee can get up. All I know Rosealee no make government move, but she go tell you say everybody call her upon her phone. Go suck your mother, CDA no owe no obligation. Go suck your mother. Come in, make we look in your eye and see if you're unstable. Go suck your mother. CDA nah give no message and no information over the phone. Eh? And you still not argue with GX back and forth before you jump in a one cab where have good shots. Cause you know you kill anything from the back. You jump in a one cab man and go look how you pick me. And since Diamond have the vehicle can pick you up and carry you all over, make Diamond be a chauffeur. Go suck your mama Rosealee. Somebody for spitting in your face. It's true. Here come about GX, and GX chop your ear so GX should chop off your foot them so you can't go make her. He never chop you. Anything him use doll. Anything GX use doll. Me don't know all the
as I say about people, you tell me what you think in the comment section. Me don't want to look a place and I can't talk much so make you watch some more.
People them miss none of you and GX. CDA, that's what I say. CDA, you see all on the CDA? I told me no one class all on it. You should have go with the yard. At the yard, you should have go with. Look how long Barbara and Chantal go themselves. I'm just provoking to man. Me don't know another half-ass job. Go over the yard. The big stinking girl still left on live. She make it bad for Jakes because she use the relationship spike Jakes. She and Jakes in an argument. Little boy! Little boy! Hello! And in the right you're saying now, little boy! Because my one Rosalie was sleeping a son at 2, you know. More one dragon. Yeah. I want to make this big stinking girl sit down there. I tell her no rat shit. And then you look here, man. I don't know me, man. Overnight war. Overnight war. Hello. One dragon, you cannot sleep, so you don't have to. You're like a tranquilizer, then be overnight. You little body too young and sleep up, one dragon. You're gonna get you tranquilizer. Yeah. Back to the matter at hand now, people. Lord, the place quiet, one nice. I know everybody we are grind, we can't hear them. Them better cover them mouth, you know. Yeah. Other one thing. Me rude. We yes, my baby. We yes, the sweet girl. Yes, son. I should marry somebody else saying that was my baby. Yeah. Candy Badass go on with the 2 back pocket them where I meet. When a big Rosalie buy, remember she invest in a man more than what she invest in a picnic. Hey, that's why you don't listen to them people. You should don't tell them say people on the net use them picnic for show with other people. You know, sister, no lie me at you. Good morning. Oh, finally you come out in the morning. Yeah, is this not like me at you? Tell you what, they use them money, they use them picnic for show award. Look for Rosalie come out, come tell them, come show them how much she buy, use money buy, man. Look how Rosalie come out, come show them. Imagine Rosalie tell us Sunday say Jake's got to leave. Rosalie tell us Sunday say Jake's have to go. And Monday Rosalie said Jake's 2 bills to stay. Somebody talk to me now. No, Sunday Rosalie said she and Jake's left and them done. So all she sent 2 bills go get Jake's. And then one week I believe say she just do it because she hype. No, I saw you use and get him. And that you use and get Jake's at all given times. Remember you have to step up your money now, you know? Oh, bribery. Yeah. And a friend share look. Let me tell you how relationship go in the ghetto. You see when time you're not that girl, you have to buy your way out. They don't want to tell you that, but me tell you have to buy your way out. Boy, I look fine. Let me tell you something. See how this with them do? I wasn't, no man no one wasn't insipid to man cocky, you know? You never know. Cause the man them licky and they don't want for your own. So when Rosalie sit down and say she have a man, she don't have a man. She's a bi cocky individual. Rosalie is a client. Rosalie is one of them will breed for her client. Yeah. You never know. Because you can't say you put out the man Sunday, you have to leave. That's why I tell you this every single day. If you still not listen to Rosalie, you're gonna kill this like her. You know the girl will come and class them and all I know Rosalie don't say, Jakes, pack up your things and go. All I know. All I know. Shey, we have to be to see a message. I'm going to step and see a message after you are, you have fight many battles out the road. Then if you still not write me telegram. Eh? Which part? Where you send them? Oh, me for stay from and see them. Eh? Jake's only hope is getting the kids. When CDA see the mother sit up and lie for hours and then come to her say, oh, she fair work and I wash, cook and clean. Waiting CDA say. Waiting CDA say. They pick them happy when Jake's come around. When Jake, you know what I found very funny is this. Enough people, that's what I'm telling them, say, oh no. In the time of Owie and Nisha, I could never pick up for Owie. Because I see it clear as day. I could never pick up for Owie. Because I only said when they say Owie depressed. I know Owie I broke bubble pan live. You know, I'm going to come to my point when I talk about it. You know, say, I sit down on my live and none of them don't see it. When Rosalie say, oh, she fair work and I wash, cook and clean, and I shake my head and I say, look at this. Rosalie believes that she is the hot shit to collect the money and I use Jakes with all of 15 grand, 10 grand. Go and go drink something with you and your friend then. And that's such a treat him. I say that supposed to cage him. Cause I care whichever girl in take. Fear money is a faster flow. Psychology. That is why Rosalie is still on the app from 7 to 7. When I see it, that is why she sits on the app from 7 to 7. When Rosalie tells her she go with her card, she have her card because Jakes use her card, mind woman lies. 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 Rosa run a piece of batty, say, I had say it there, a piece of batty relationship, it not funny. A batty man alone, no say them there with a girl baby father, not for bribe him to get the cocky.
People, when I ever see the real dog thing where I think a long time he used to do it when he say a real dog and me a talk and when me come for talk, me come for talk. You see me? Yo, when Shibada come for talk, he definitely come for talk, my people. And he now hold back. You see me I say? Why tell me one thing, we can watch some more.
No say the boy love money like dog. A batty relationship. Tiki wagwan. Batty relationship. Me I tell you no. That's why Rosalie knows so much about him, man. Cause Rosalie still a buy khaki. At age 32, she still a buy khaki. 12 years, yeah, buy body for 12 years. Yeah, she caged Jakes. You see, Jakes used to this. It's not that he don't want me to, but sometimes you hear people say, better to be safe than sorry. Jakes used to this old habits die hard from Rosalie a sell peanut share by body.
Who don't know the woman that wait? Who don't know? Bad mind, it makes she say she want to never go defend the pitney them where I wash the pitney them where them take from people pitney them, where them put them? They put them in a place with kink. They put them in a place where them sexually molested. Not molest, nobody not molesting the woman. You could have started for both of the money where the girl have make and that you don't know. And that you would have Marley gripe and because that's where it stems from. Bad mind at the end of the day. Bad mind, it makes Satan feel like him could have stood up and got thrown up. So bad mind is bad mind. Bad mind are. Yes. Make she sit up and check her entire family. But you look here, you live in our household. You live in our household, in our house. You don't live in our house. You can't come back and check any shit. And the views are bad, uno. And the views can make a bad, uno. Hungry. Uno broke. Uno broke. So uno spit up.
Let me say something. Watch here and sometimes we get frustrated. We say things. Cigarette is the secret she was saying, not meaning so she's gonna do it. But being in frustration, she's saying, not knowing the consequences that is gonna come behind it. You understand? She might say, not knowing the consequences behind
all
it.
you there for a bad mind,
Sometimes we're frustrated. We tell our children things, we say things we're going to do things. We're not.
Tell us to take accountability.
We just say it out of frustration. However, we don't need to beat her. We don't have to beat her. As ladies,
Oh, goddess. So
when me look, me sit down, I'm up there, and most of the ladies are beat her.
You know, sister, she take accountability.
Most of the women are beat her.
I know, me not hear she said
Most of
sorry
the women are bringing her
Listen to me. You
I don't hear she said, I don't hear she come out and take accountability and talk to our fans and our people and say, you know what, people? I was going, even for just say, you know what, I was going through something the other day. I was having an emotional breakdown. I am sorry for threatening the life of my kids and my spouse. I'll know me not hear that.
So you know feel like say when them go visit yesterday and them buck up in and then one another, you know feel like say they say that today one another. You know feel like they say that today one another.
Can I say something?
No, we know Simon, we know man. Before Goddess even jump off our topic, you know feel like Jakes and Rose look on them one another yesterday and say that. You know feel so?
The last time I heard that Jakes don't even live there no more because she threatened to fling out Jakes.
That's
Alright.
And I true believe I see one come back and tell with that too.
King. Yes. Please, King, let me ask you a question. Wait, I want to ask you a question on the same topic.
If you can come past
Wait, time out. King, I want to ask you a question.
if you can come past social media, come threaten the life of your children and your family. King, can I speak? Because you was up here talking all the while. Hold on the King. If you can publicly come out and you can threaten the entire life of our entire family, you know things there. She will publicly come back out and apologize to our family and to the people that support her and make the people that will hear she talk them things about our family see that she's sorry.
Goddess, that is a very good point you make. But who first she's supposed to apologize to? By right.
Her kids. Sky.
The kids them. No, we know.
Our man where she live with.
We know.
Don't be able to make him moderator them start.
We know, man. But just answer me, no. By right, that the kids them she owe an apology, no?
Yes, Sky.
Okay.
Sky,
Everybody talk about Rose and Jake. Nobody talk about the kids them. What about their mental health?
Okay.
They are going to school, right? And they are going to get bullied at school about it because everybody is seeing everything on social media. What about the kids' mental health?
Alright, Simone, I love how you reach this so. The reason why I say she have a wait because she want to see the kids them, feel back her kids them again, and tell her kids them what she's supposed to tell them. You understand?
Rose don't deserve those kids back. And if CDA give those kids back to Rose, then CDA is not doing a good job. I'm sorry.
We want to get back our kids.
Not me. I'm sorry. I'm not saying the kids should be.
Listen on Jakes, I go get the youth them, so why not go say this?
Wait a minute. Wait, Tama, now you're contradicting yourself. You said Jakes is gonna get back the kids. But wait a minute. You're the same one that came on this live the other day and said that Rose kicked Jakes out of the house. And then when Goddess just said the last time I heard Jakes no longer lived there, you laughed and said, hey, like Jakes is still there. So if Jakes is still living in that house, if Jakes, shut up, because now this is coming to say, how is Jakes gonna get back? How is Jakes gonna get back to the kids? That's Rose's house, and Rose can't be around the kids.
I don't have a listen. Honestly, I don't think cemetery is the right place for the kids. I don't think the place of safety where the government have what them say a place of safety is the right place for the kids. I would like the kids to be back in a stable environment.
That is.
But what she did was uncalled for.
That is.
None of these kids did not do their mother anything that day. and Jakes did not do her anything that day. She having a mental breakdown over somebody on social media, and she just take it out for her family and talk what she want. And cause a disruption in her life. And people talk about bad mind. Bad mind was what?
Barbz, I respect you for that. I respect you for that. Because at the same thing, Jakes I said too. So I respect you for that. Because it's never him. All he gone out and party for weeks, gone out to sleep in a car and
sometimes things happen. We have rush out same time, but you see when things reach when the frustration take we as woman and we're ready to lash out, we lash out for everybody. We're not responsible. Listen, I'm not trick my pit of them life over no boy. I'm not trick my pit of them life over no boy. No boy. I love man like how board house love boy. Me not see the boy. What the fuck with my head? Yeah, man.
Nobody don't come in here back from talk to everybody. Talk for yourself. If you know lash out for the pitney when you don't have problem, say I am a mother that do this like Rosalie. So I understand what I'm talking about everybody.
What she say? When Rosalie said about the pregnant,
whether woman they just come here come say everybody.
I did not say everybody. Listen to Sky, I did not say everybody.
When we get angry, I don't say everybody.
Remember, you have some
everybody
can't control themselves, you know.
Yeah, so don't say everybody. So wait a minute.
You have some people that can't control them emotions, you know.
You saying some people cannot control their emotions. So if she cannot control her emotions and she can verbally threaten them, how is to know when she get these kids that she not gonna physically hurt them?
Yeah, mommy.
Let me go to and me open up right now so let me see what's
Listen, you see, that's the problem, you know. You see, when Downer try to make when not try to make excuse for her, we're not gonna help her because I do all this and I do all that. Something you don't say on social media, because when you put it out there in the atmosphere, you cannot take it back.
so what?
Alright, my people, this one asking why when people always try to talk the truth about some things where some people are famous do, you have people where them fan always equate with them and say to bad mind, say you bad mind the person, that's why you talk about the situation. You see me? Let me know what you think, my people. Nice in the background, but now watch that. Now watch.
Goddess?
Yeah.
Like,
to me, Rosalie start take accountability. Me that listen to her live. I mean, here she explain why she do what she do, and she said she started to do it. And me here she said she had work on things to get back on her. To me, she start take accountability. Everybody have that. To me, she start take accountability by accepting, say she fucked up by doing what she do. So to me, she start take accountability. That's just what me feel.
because what and goddess, me can sense it with my spirit, because I'm a spiritual youth, you know. You can sense it with my spirit. They say, you SWAT and goddess wanna stay like Sky. Wanna know when they're right and wanna know when they're wrong. You see me? So you can't hear on the talk, but it is SWAT where you say she's not supposed to get what kids them by right. It not gonna help the kids them if she won't see them back. You understand? Because remember, say she the kids them grew up with when Rosalie a ball and in her breakdown stage and in her mental breakdown, Ashanta wanna see walk come in the room and say, "Mommy, don't cry," and wipe off her tears them off her face, and Rosalie that start smile again. You understand?
I feel like okay, so I will take that back. I feel like right now. So let me change what I'm saying. I feel like right now, Rose should not get her kids back. I I feel like right now, Rose needs to go to counseling. Rose also needs to take parenting classes. I'm a mother of 3 kids.
Yeah, she need that.
I'm never gonna sit there. I'm never gonna sit there and threaten to unalive my children. That is not something I will do. I don't talk down to my kids because when I was a child, my grandmother used to talk down to me, and I realized that when you grow up having fucking trauma from that. So I call my daughters my 2 princesses, and I call my son, you're my little prince. Now don't get me wrong. Sometimes your head could chip on your kid, and you may say, "I'm gonna fuck you up, Ray Tay Tay." That's different. But when you actually sit there and you say that right now I feel like just locking them in a house and burning up the whole house so that Jake and the kids get unalive, that's some wicked ass shit. And when Barbz seen her cursing and everything, Barbz came into the room and she said to Barbz, circle me, not right now, Barbz. She has been on live and cursed Shanta out. Jake's in the background has even came and said, don't talk to her like that. And she cursed Jake's out. So people formed an opinion based on what they seen and heard from Rose.
Right.
So this is not my opinion. Let me land. This is not because I woke up and said, you know what? I think she's a bad mother. She should take her kids. Or I bad mind Rose because Rose makes all this money on TikTok. It's not about that. It's the fact that when you are a mother, you are your child's protector. And you did not protect your children. And you chipped out on your kids over Akeem. Yeah, her and Jake always have their problems. Her and Jake always argue and fight. I don't care about that because Jake is a grown man. So Jake wants to stay in a house where a woman curses him out and says this to him, or he has to lock off her Wi-Fi to get her to shut up in the house. That's their business. But when you're bringing 2 innocent kids in this and you're putting it on the media, that becomes everybody's business. Thank you.
You know, so the thing you still. Me look for Rose in the son. As a friend, look for her off the media. I don't know how we're wrongful never say or anything. Me look on her off the media and say, Rose, we can see say you crash out over something where I know don't you saw the problem there. Why you crash out? I know we make you crash out. You see me? And if me can ask her, I say, Rose, why make you crash out? And she look like she want to crash out on all. Me too. You understand? Make me have to tell her, say, yo, Rose, that you know my style, I'm not too dig the argument thing, you know, say my thing. I don't like the chatting when it comes to like about argument and everything. Right? I'm just come licking in your face and just call it, say, yo, I just saw the thing go. You understand? Everybody in my scheme knows say I'm my style. Like, I'm not in a bag of chatting and in a bag of I just come licking in your face and make a run go tell who you want to tell and go call who you want to call. That's so me did my thing. You understand? But in a case we have to deal with Rose now as a friend and Jakes as a friend, anything disrespectful them said to me, I'm a friend them because me can say disrespectful things. I will still laugh about it tomorrow. You understand? But we have to deal with the kids. There's no physical thing. There's no disrespectful thing. We have to deal with the kids. Them are just this what we want TikTok to get. We're going to try to reason with Rose and try to put her in our comfortable mindset to try reason with the youth them and try to get back the youth them. You understand?
Well, it passed a stage right now, because all of the kids she need to reason with it. She need to reason with the government. She need to reason with the government.
My case. My case already.
No, we know it come out of her hands, like gone in her government, and you see when she get the call.
She have to go make sure that she paint a picture now in a goddess.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We are watch some more. I want thing doing a Starbucks nice in a blow. But people are watching nice. We are watch some more.
Did you know that they were calling her before the kids were taken?
To be honest,
yeah.
When I know about them calling her, yeah, when them get captured from them.
Okay.
That is the day I find out, say them calling she.
Did you know is Rose's 4th CDA case.
Fourth one.
It's the 4th CDA case because before, when Rose was on live and they alleged that her and Jakes was having sex on live, one of her enemies on live called CDA on her. Then when the police ran in on Rose and the whole thing with situation when they outdid the picture and stuff.
Oh, that was sister. That was Shay that time. When
I know it was Shay.
Yeah, Shay they called CD that time. When they
I remember it was Shay, and then somebody on TikTok called.
That means that Shay start the CDA case for Rosealee.
Somebody on TikTok called CDA on Rose again because when Pink Wall released the picture of her,
Alright. Why do you feel like I never want to call her name? And who did in a TikTok liar live? Why do you feel like I never want to call her name?
Call the name. Let me tell you something. Over here, as long as you have proof to back something up, call the name. Because if you're telling the truth, they cannot beat you for telling the truth. We all know that Shay from Belgium was the first one to call CDA on Rose. You know, Shay from Belgium was the one to put the rumor out.
I think we can maybe dig up our fan one screen recording when
you know, Shay from Belgium was the one to put the rumor out that Jakes was Rose. We all know that.
When then they go take when then they bring her down say in her house dirty and she didn't make it.
Yeah, and then the police released the picture and the conditions did not look clean. So my thing about it is that if Rose knows all of this, if Rose knows, because Rose comes talking every day alive.
Say something, please.
Yeah, 1 minute, please. That she has enemies on
what is talking when she finished.
And Rose come every day and say she knows a lot of these people on TikTok don't like her. A lot of people on TikTok cannot wait for her to lose her kids. Then why the fuck would you go say that again on TikTok?
You know what, MJ?
Can I say something?
I really think you talk. I just got someone who say no more. So you I allow them.
You see, when the police did go, if it did go over she and the other guy from Jamaica, you know who me at talk. You know why the police did go? Them say Rose and maintain the man them. Take up for the blood. Life thinking clock. Chase a dirty boy, batty man. Come for the blood clot live and top chat. So good boy, dirty king. Be true believer, you mix up batty man. Come off. Wrong crow.
Boy. Okay.
That's when the police them did go. Remember them have it say Rose I take the money and fend. You understand what me
Yeah, true. You're right.
Yeah, when the police go and them two person there, yeah.
But Shaloops, remember when that happened, right? And they released the picture of the house and everything. Shay and her comment section called because the conditions of the house. Because
yes, and remember the next guy come out the day, they not reach yet. She not answer yet. Yeah, they come and confirm it.
Yeah, because after that, Rose came and bawled and said, first police running her house, they shame her, and now she have a next CDA case. So that was the second CD. Because you say next, that means you had one before. So that was the second one. Then the third one, when her and Jakes was having sex on what they said, it looked like it was, but they called and said she had sex on live in front of
and then Sister Shay was the same one again. Because she and Rosealee they start one when they said Jakes and Rosealee.
And then Shay called CD again when Rose said that Queenie used to when Rose and Destiny team up and said them spoke to the school that allegedly Queenie touched somebody kid. Shay said, you want to play this fucking game with me, Rose? Watch, I'm going to play the fucking game back with you. And she called on Rose again.
Yeah, I remember. A 2-time them called police by Rose. Remember say a 2-time Jakes got station. Them call it one Saturday morning.
So, let me tell you something. You see, even if somebody call CDA 20 times, and there's nothing there for CDA to come in and take the kids,
they're not going to take them.
They're not going to come take them. You could have called you could have called from morning till night.
But if y'all all pull up
him goddess.
They could have called CD a million. You know what people, they call CD call CD
Auntie Dan, me not think she's a, me think she just fucked up. Me think she love her kids and she just fucked up. She make a mistake.
Remember, say her cousin Rose do for living, you know, so you're not gonna expect nothing good to come out of Rose's mouth, but at the end of the day, him not mean when he's saying just say. I say, well, with and sometimes we just stop things, but a lot of people, 90% of people know say it not mean nothing, but because the rules and the law of Jamaica now depends on the type of people them we call and how them put it in a context and say this and that because them a hater. But we know say she not mean nothing. She talk about her pitting them, she not do them nothing. If when she does suffer, she ain't do them nothing. And now when time things are going for her, I don't listen to people here, man. Tell me now, when sufferation is out there, nobody now do them, they sit there and know when you can find everything where you want for your comfort. You think about that. You don't move to go show off on people and get bossy and show off and go on with yourself, make them say you're hype. No, because you know that's how we Jamaicans stay. But when last year somebody at Jamaica in where I make money do them sit there, I can't even find 2 or 1, but I don't even know.
True.
I think I'm more go for one little picnic where in school work or whatever. Or somebody young where then just can't see them because they don't know if you wait upon time and know say life I got change. Yeah. If she did know she'd have got there where she there right now, maybe she'd have give up if she'd have give up a long time, but she say she wait her time come.
True. She never see it coming, man. She never see it coming.
Enough people never know say they're happy they're gonna come and make them turn in as somebody. So you have to just know say I one of them there, but the people them where make it look like say yes she mean it. Me can't bother with them the people there because we know say when she said that, and I know first she said she just say it for content then. So you know people are gonna just have you and say, you know, you were roast or whatever. Like how she just say any other thing and people use it for sound, nothing more.
Yeah.
But I was gonna say sometimes some people say we have to be careful or talk on TikTok, but sometimes you're in a moment, anything come out your mouth, you have to talk, you know, so you go. And you can't hold back. And then you're going to have some set of people who test your faith. You're going to say, whatever come to your brain, you're going to say, and don't even care. And I just decided.
Yeah, too. But me think,
people, I know nothing to think about. We all know Sir Rosalie love her youth them and she love her youth them bad. But you see her bad dirty ways them just overshadow all of that. You know what I mean? And make things real bad. Let me know what you think. I watch some more.
Drake's. I think Drake's gonna get back the kids because me did see like in the live a show foundation. Did you see it? Yeah, I see it. FYP. Yeah, so I feel like once in the right thing, he can get them back and he seems fit to me.
Yeah. Because I know him had the problem, you know, are just the word where she say. Them know so she take care of her kids, them, you know, and the likes of the kids them get abused or nothing. It's just the word where she use. So them I say you never know somebody can go through depression or whatever and you don't know them a thing. So we could get some help for she. You understand?
Yeah.
But everything with America do Jamaica I don't know, you know. So me myself that be no say it's so serious. No, don't take it so serious neither. But the rules and the law in our country and them do because people are pressure it don't. And then we have to blame her as well because the phone call and she no go and then she can't say it. So it's like, yeah, sentence your own herself. I say you don't have no time for that. You know, sure any sensible person on earth. Me we see when the school call you for parents teacher meeting and you know go, but people like them they call you on you know go like. No, nobody know about above the law. It either come like a police call you and say, we hear say you do something you need to go in and you decide you're not going. You know, so anyway, they hold you anything or anything. You understand? So that's the difference. So me blame her not to go to the people them when they call. She say she busy. So she at the fault why them take them. Because I feel like so them go guard the yard for true, but true she go say she busy, she not go. And I'm more on one occasion then call and she give them attitude. So I feel like so this time and just say, yo, we are sure you say you are run things and we are run things. That's my belief. Me I go left you no car.
Yeah. Pick up yourself and sit down.
Later. Once we're gonna elevate my phone and cut off.
Yeah, alright.
Later.
Later. Chat, this shall pass. This shall pass. I just think this shall pass. Anyways, chat, you're sorry for the girl. I'm not gonna lie. I know she's going through something. And me sympathize with her. Yes. Because I know say no matter who don't want losing kids, if you love your kids or your child or you lose your child, you have to feel pain. You know, worse if you have a connection with your child or you remember certain things, you know, watch movie together. You know, certain things, like you just, you go feel pain if you know, so you don't know if they might eat.
Things and just build up things in the head and run up on people. Every day when you know say me dance, you know say me nah no picnic. And in this situation now, me see this girl go say me can't hold no man. Oh, old man come in this situation now. And me can't keep no man for more than 6 months. What is a girl that they talk about? Or reaching a man argument and keep man. Cause the last time we check, none of my man them never left me yet. Me can't add them one on this bomb buckler and ask them. All in all, everything on the talk about man, this, that, everything on never tap till you draw, on just confused over yourself, bro. Nobody can know nothing, please, you know. Me see one man, one shiny man, building one content that talk about how the boy them draw for me and Rose. I want an argument and go say the boy them draw for me for Mobby, carry me come for Carrot Rose. What the fuck you mean by boy draw for me for Mobby? Me and Rose been plans to have a girls weekend, brother. We've been planned so we have a girls weekend before Rose Pitney get take away, brother. We've been run with Rose been run the Airbnb before me left foreign, brother. Before the woman Pitney get take away. Why you not sit down and build up things in the fucking head, blood? You not sit down and build up things in the head. Through America and live. I don't know, so they build content and go for some views and make money, bro. Me and Rose plan to do the girls weekend before the woman Pitney get take away. The woman been pay for the Airbnb long before this, bro. But you not sit down and assume things in the head and judge me. I put up the bad things about we, brother. What the fuck you talk about? The woman done renting Airbnb already. We done plan the girls weekend before the woman picking them even get take away, bro. You gonna talk about I can rent Airbnb for me and get me for me if you Carrot Rose. What you talk about, sir? If you not build content, you build content and talk make up things in the head, brother. Cause we did done, me and Rose did done plan the girls weekend long but no picnic before the woman no picnic get take away or nothing, brother. The woman done the booking thing already, that did done gone already. After that the woman picnic get take away, bro. It's not like the woman go get back in money. So we have to come said way. And then the woman picnic gone. The woman, what we gonna do? On the go like on the woman hard. Missing no found over here talk about oh Ray feel it more than Rose. Rose all the tough on the media. No where Rose I go through when I'm live like a Rose not even sleep at night, brother. Rose not sleep. This morning Rose gone bed 6 o'clock. From me there till now, Rose not sleep no night. Every morning Rose gone bed 6 o'clock. Rose roll me wall house and smoke beer craving here, back a craving here, bro. On the mean the woman not feel it. The woman that done one back a 20 pack bumbo clock craving here. In less than 5 minutes blood. The woman not sleep. And this morning Rose gone bed 6 o'clock, brother. After me there that they go on. Be a 10 pack and 20 pack in less than 5 minutes, bro. The woman a burn off. Cause them too terrible, bro. Me tired of them, man. And I'm talking about the woman now feel nothing like a them there, so. You know now, all you know the pussy wall. I sit down in front of the fucking camera, dog, and chat fuckery. You know now face reality when live lock off. When live lock off a different reality of face. People free to show emotion to own over here. Cause you don't take it build content and take it beat people. Clot, man. You all on the stump on eye ass, who no run with a foreign in the box for the eye blood clot ass. And you all on about the girl. And no know nothing when they go with camera bumbo clot lock off. And I talk about the girl now feel nothing. And who they answer with the girl around me? More never who there with the woman around me. They don't talk about we not tell Rose the truth. And them something they want to know. Nobody never tell Rose nothing. Rose no wrong for right. Rose is an idiot, brother. You know if it stop, man. You know if it stop. You just make things worse and matters worse. When the woman there, I remember saying picking them their blood clot homes. And then when you look, this the man, they go down the road, man, there for they go down hill and gully. Then who not beat him on top of it? Wanna expect the woman they even sleep at night about bucklat. And I talk about the woman not feel nothing. Should the woman play tough on the internet? And only make the woman have to play tough. Oh no, if the woman come ball, you know diss him, say my ball for kind. If he no ball, you know say no feel it. What wrong with you know? You know have to stop, man. And I want to sit down there, want to sit down on the high ass of America, all who run off and can't travel. The whole of the blood clot borderline people. All you do is sit down on people near because you're uncomfortable. You not live no life. You never tap until you never tap until the internet get back cussing. I don't know where you want, man. Go on with the road, man. I don't love yourself too. And say people follow, you know, then life go down in a whole pothole sink. You know, some big pothole in a road. If people follow, you know, youth. Nobody can please, you know. Me come for help, you know, cost me. If me ain't come, you know, still bumbo clad cost me. I don't know what the social media people. You have to have faith over yourself. You have to have faith and strong mind over yourself, brother. If you don't have faith and strong mind over yourself, you feel like a joke. You feel like a joke, bro.
Hey, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. And everybody and their mother run down to become TikTokers. Them don't know the judgment to come with TikTok, you know. You have enough people there on TikTok when you know the passa and the mix up and get drag on them something, but you know what I mean, you know which party you might fall. You see me, when you check say them TikTokers they like Diamond, them Rosealee, them and them people there. When you check say them now go through some whole heap of things. Remember every day them stress out because the bad comments them get to them. You know what I mean? And them have to develop thick skin and overcome them things there. So let me know what you think with people. I watch some more.
Me I bring the burning from the parcel. Mix emotions and we're looking at the glass.
Oh, what is easy.
What me come on to say is enough love, enough thanks to everybody who come give me the support towards the children then. All who come support. Yeah, I'm gonna look for them today. I look for them today, man. See God, I have to see God today. The way I want to see them father too. I look for them today, man. Make them get something today. Enough love, girl. Even though I not call the name them for the rose them to, enough love for all of the people I send the rose them to. Anna, all heap of love. I'm blessed. Nadi, Brazil, all heap of love, everybody who has sent gift. Enough love. Respect. Thanks to all the art me them too. So add some people, man. Maybe later or tomorrow, but not now. Thanks for the bond gun, Miss Williams. Yeah, do that. Do that. Sit there. Yeah, go like you can't do that. Do that then attack, man. That's my PayPal people. That's my PayPal. Anybody who wish to do something towards the PayPal, that is my PayPal. And when the time run out again, I just spin it again, tap, man. Understand? They need for one to open a box, you know. No, alright. May I tell you, say, I just show a shame you make it for. Remember, I never mean, and the old one, you get knocked, and she said, to make one more fair, so I make it fair. But by the time we complete, when time we come finish the thing, you understand? She never would have wanted, she already have one I use. So I never come on my phone now, I use all long. You understand? So now I really say a fair one. I make it fair, but she not take it. I've been trying to change the name. I'm to that boy, yeah. Jayden. Come on now, broski, man. No, I'm not accept nobody yet. Just go easy. Just tell the people them thanks to them support. Thanks for your support. We're gonna do some things on the road today. I'm gonna get the material and I'm gonna make sure you see that too. You understand? I'm going to come tell you and all of them something there. I'm ready for in the box and match. And Jayden, behave yourself now, man. He's no brother, man. Not yet, brother.
Hey, my people, I not lie, still you know, I love all the people in my airport, Jakes. But yo, this look at waste still, you know, for the mother have millions, you know, and forget out the youth, them and the father we don't have no money. Afi, I try scrape to get where him get to build up a place so him can get them out. Yo, we look at we still the number of people because remember in a Rosealee can rent a place with Jakes with ease, you know. But then again them not there. So she not go want to spend her money on him. Why that thing you mix up and fuck white people. Let me know what the thing, make what some more.
I'm going to hear what Jayden says. It's not going to. You understand? I know one phone we have. Nobody have one phone nowadays. So I'm finger now open this. Banana man. Thanks to the money going on OMC. Morning Evan sent.
You want to say no? You don't probably.
Fast enough. Hey, Jayden, I see your thing with that, man. That's a joking thing, Jayden, man.
Come back.
Joking thing, Jayden, man. I'm not calling Jayden, man, bro. One of that, too. Okay. And you know, with that phone, too, I like it to still play, you know. Hard. So I Chantal around for BH, you know? Because that girl knows she for BH. You see, she always a beat and I have to do them something there.
Hello.
Whoopie!
Hello.
Yeah. Oh.
Look up for him, I see you yesterday.
Yeah. I see I look on her, she's saying one. She's saying one.
I think I keep them close, you know. So yeah, the daily routine I kind of miss. The deal what I used to. You know, every morning and then I get up to. Every evening, every evening I make sure, hey, I try to understand what I miss here, man. I understand. And well, now that I'm in school, long as I dust down. Barbz come from school 2:30, about 3:30 come and do extra lesson. As him reaching, daddy I cook. We I cook. Shanta now stop. When in the kitchen, she said, Daddy, how we I cook today? Morning, I'm going to say fish. Daddy, I don't eat fish. See I cook something beside that? Come I eat fish now? And some I say, one next TikTok at you know, I watch them long time. I'm so tired of them father. You know, they tired of the dancer girl. For them father. I never observe how the man need him youth them. Remind me of me. You understand? The man around to cook. Anything with them want to cook, him cook. Anything with them want, the man cook with them. You see, I always watch him video them on TikTok. There's a little Rasta man, them man they ever cook for them. Them and our friend them. You see, they run for full up over him yard.
Okay. Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, John won't start. Really give thanks to all that support. Santa and Baba House.
People must hide the light, yo.
Let's see. People more well want to smoke, for sure.
You want to come here, you name for the thing. Alright, give her the address and your name. When you deliver.
Give me a name for that. JAKES.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. I think we have a little thing with Radio talk about Brit and Zozo, because them have a little clash last night. I'm going to share some of that with you know. You know what I mean? So we can watch some more of this and then go over this one.
Like muggle uplift a brother. That we do. We don't muggle with vehicle. You see me even want to see my vehicle when I do. Me even want to see me on my shoes. So me I say I'm more muggle with him. That's the thing that I give him the strength. Me first I give him the strength out of my pocket. So people, please support him. Support him, people. Him will control his own thing. So just get in touch with him. Him have him things set up already. Give him the strength, people, because we are giving the first start, and that's why we are keeping up on the journey, making the sister the thing real. So they said, no clapping, not enough clap. Understand? We need the strength, and we need his family home. That's my brother. Yes, my brother.
I'm going to show you all the respect.
Yes.
Like I will come and see you, and see the 3 different come and see you.
Yeah, man. The family man, and I'm not two. They have two. And guess what happened? Me take the two of them from their mother, from my baby, and I grow them myself. And them come successful. That is why I'm successful. So that's why I'm not going to reach out to you, great father like you, good man like you. So people, he's not a lazy man, don't get it wrong. He just need the strength, get him thing up, get back him kids, and him have a work. The man have a whole for skilled people, and you can see the man is an intelligent man. So that is out. That is out, dog.
People, we're going to end to reach our next location, okay?
Yeah.
How to reach our next location.
Follow the journey. Let them know, just follow the journey. Yeah.
I don't know. But to me, I drive. I may back up the car, I back it up, I back it up, I back it up, I back it up, I back it up. I'm just itch on the hill right over here, so we around here, so I come crash Audi to blurt need. I can't believe some crash the car and lick up the car, them type of way there. I know I'm not go down no far because I'm not going to far, guys. The rain a June. I'm not make it. I'm not do it. I'm not do it. I'm going to be it on a Wednesday, so that means I would be it on a Monday, and that is abomination to my body. Come, we'll go back up. Rain a come. Aki, why can't you bad mind? Why can't you come bad mind, my spot? Don't come on, come tell me. Say, Aki love off his spot chat, clear. Aki love with you. Aki love with you. Watch Aki now. Watch Aki now take picture of my view. But Aki, if you mind what you do, you know. I put my name right there, so alright. I put my name right there, so for sure. And I make you understand, say, I feel my spot this alone. Who? Nika. So guys, what now cook for your dinner? What's for dinner? Oh my God, somebody, you see, she said she loved the view. You're a type of person like me. Tell them now, goddess, make them know enough would love that view. That view is so nice. You see people who love nature. Enjoy, Queen. Mexican food. Oh, that sounds spicy. Curry chicken and rice.
She made a business here. I got more artist business. Come on, that's what I want to do.
Get you?
It may what can you find out where you go and see, you know?
I don't know if you get you what I am.
No, the information to send from my phone, but my phone, I'm not what.
Same day place now? Oh, not Carolina with it. You deaf?
No, because I'm talking English and you know.
English, as Spanish you're talking to them. ¿Cómo se llama? Mi duelo.
Casito. Ay, God.
Yeah. How are? Wow.
Yeah, guys, one thing I can tell about up here, so cool. If you want, hey, where Kifa's there? That smile, Kifa. So pretty. Thank you, baby. You see up here, so it'll be like you come from overseas and you don't want a nice place. And you chill up here, so you know, they look a nice place so you chill and enjoy nature. That's what I like, Christiana. You're welcome, sweetie. Thank you.
Spirit?
Oh,
yeah, you can cancel.
Oh,
Because they must have cancelled this time.
So, why would you cancel it? Lime? Yeah. Alright, so may I check you later? I may make you get the funds. Or you get the chip. I make sure you get the charger. I link your girl Annie, alright? Cool? Alright, come give me a fist bump. Give me a fist bump. Me can hook you up, alright? Yeah. Alright, later. Yeah. I got him, alright? Yeah. Alright, baby. Yeah, definitely I'm gonna buy a charger for you. Alright? And the chip as well, alright? Alright, baby. Yo, impolite. To be impolite. Yeah, baby?
Oh God, my head gone.
The man said me I gonna make you have my page. And if me follow your page. Hey, that's the little man. That's the little man, guys. Hey, baby, God bless you too, baby. God bless you too, baby. Mika, remember when me finish so you can get it, alright? You have to remember me. Hello, sir, me come back now. What happened? What you a do? Alex? Where you at, Papa? Come here. Alright guys, we reach back up a yard. So guys, you remember say well I know. So guys, you remember say remember the baby girl, the lady will come on the live this morning. Who did they on the live this morning when the lady come and ask for help? The young girl. But baby, thank you. Honey, yeah baby. Hold on, pin it back. I not see that. What a pin them? I not see one pin.
Hey, my people, it's a go hard for them keep up with Rosealee and that Rosealee I sing. I don't know the Joshua song. Them a go hard for them keep up. Yo, that Rosealee them are singing on my people. See, Annie go crash the Audi if you keep up with Rosealee. What is man, people? Make me know what I think. Make me watch some more.
Pin it back. Alright, guys. You know, so me Africa dream. Why me I breathe so hard? I'm just gonna walk from down this so. Guys, me just gonna see one pin. Natalie, you there? Bad baby, me see you.
But me listen to the screen record because me did see a little clip last night but you see through him there on the screen, me no watch, me scroll. Screen recording post certain people, me scroll and me even block the screen recording page. And me know say she da video him back and whatever, but I never hear the stuff that he was saying until you played it. And me say nowadays people are people within this time, they are just continuously making these loud outbursts. They have no self-control. They lack intellectual and emotional intelligence. They do not know how to control their emotions. Why are you out here saying these things publicly, and then when it is said now, people have to make a report? You see the summer when the man beat up the woman with the lass, and that video, I just know me see them and say the man get locked up. Oh, so it have to be reported. You see this abuse, there's evidence. Physical evidence, so you see, and you have to wait upon this. Somebody have to wait for make a report for you. Go ahead and apprehend the person, or even give them a slap on the wrist, something to let them know that this should not be done. Everything, these are the things that need to be changed in the law in Jamaica. We can't just sit down and make man have a shut up and then know when a loud outburst, everybody at whatever. There's something going on with them psychologically. Them not know to control them emotions. Everybody feel like say anything will come at them mouth. Them just come on social media and say it verbally and type it. Nobody can keep things in them head again. I think. You know, sometimes you're upset, you get impulsive, you're not trying to take a deep breath 10 times and count to 10 before you make this big loud outburst and make them threats you to the woman upon the life. Tell me now. Did it tell me now? That makes sense? And then everybody come and I said this and I said that. There can be multiple things right at the same time. Him no need for say that, alright. Brit gifters gift him in the time when Brit need help, and Brit gifters gift him and send him money to assist Brit in our times of need, right? Whether or not Brit gifters give him yes or no, him say him a helper, you say a helper general. When you come back no ask woman about money for when since man give woman things and I ask back. Where this attitude and this behavior coming from? Why these boys have them behavior like them a girl? And then when them not get them way, them use them mouth and say the most derogatory things to people and threaten them and then people over there give. Them didn't know say when you're a child, right? I saw the early child education reading. When you're a child and a child does something wrong and you give them a candy, a sticker, you are like you're egging them on to continue to do wrong things. You're giving them alright, so it's the same thing. These persons are stuck in the oral stage and all of them, some of the Sigmund Freud Tabo, I remember all of them. Them stuck in a them stages. So when them come and a cuss and a say them horrible things here and una give them gift, what you think them are gonna do? Them are gonna continue say these things and do these things because they are being gifted for it. You're giving gifts for negative behavior. And so what are they gonna do if them dead and not behave normal? Listen up, and then not gonna give. And when they lash out them give, what them are do? Remember this are them only source of income, you know. Them not work, no good amount of pain work, no then what them are gonna do? Them are gonna continue with this derogatory behavior. It just no make no sense. You just have them loud outbursts and I say them things here. And if people not report it, nothing can be getting on. Everybody just sit down there like everything is good. You cannot say them something. You want you're suicidal. Right now I should say me for go by 10th floor. You want to chuck off in a river, and if me did there, me chuck me I chuck off or put car, run off car. You hear them talk there? How your mind reaches up from you want back a money where you spend. Constantly demand them. Me not say man not for talk, but some of the things them with them people are say out of them mouth. I don't know how them say it. Sometimes before I get mad and say certain things, I just be silent and gather myself. Cause my mouth can be very uncontrolled. Not saying these vicious things, but I can say certain things and I try to just shut my mouth, as them say, if it's not good for eat, not good for talk. Gift, the money. Where the money, everybody does do the most outrageous things for the money. I could have also OnlyFans, TikTok, golden shower, shit pan everything for the money we got dead left. We can't do nothing with it, we can't get a regret. We not gonna spend it in our afterlife, hopefully, because we don't want to work in our afterlife. It's time for work. You understand what I mean? Really, like, what is all of this for? What is all of this for? Everybody is just this crab in the bag mentality and this behavior with them have. So, I don't know, it's so crazy. That's how I'm the scroll past them, you know?
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comments. We'll watch a bit more and then we're going to end it.
Can me come on TikTok more while to scroll and laugh, like, my life for laugh. Sometimes I'm going to the comment section and see the people, I say, my people are not easy, you know. I'm laugh, I'm scroll, and then I minimize the screen when I work. If I can, use my other app and work around. You get what I mean, really? But sometimes it just not make no sense. Like, What are you thinking to come and say these things on a screen, incriminating yourself, sending threats? And then you're gonna come ball when you're in a run a jail corner now. Tell me now. You're gonna come ball now and I look sympathy when you don't have the emotional intelligence to when you're upset, shut your freaking mouth. Mute your life. End life. And go hold a breather. If you want to puff 2 cigarettes and then you come back, you regroup and assess yourself. So if them that work in a one call center, so I said them that does loud out there, so no HR, no they in no HR, no HR, no they on TikTok, them just come and say anything. You that there one normal work building a base and I say these things to your co-workers at work?